Create a new template for adding diagnostic parameters in Cankado web. Visit our website cankado.com. Please log in with your registered credentials. To add a new template for entering your diagnostic parameters, click on Diagnostics. Click on Create Template. Enter your report name here. Select your report type by clicking here. Add the description of your report here. Select the items needed to be listed on the template. You can view your selected items here. You can sort the selected items according to your preferences by using the arrows here. After completing adding the items and sorting it out, click on the Create icon at the top right corner. You have now successfully added a new template for adding the diagnostic parameters. The created new template will be shown in the All Templates section. You can add your parameters by clicking the Document Now icon under the Actions section. You can edit or delete the template by clicking the three dots near the Document Now.